Got issues with your OPPO phone? Need to wipe personal data before selling? In this video, we'll show you 4 easy ways to hard reset your OPPO phone. Let's dive in. Part 1. Common reasons for OPPO hard reset. Reset your OPPO phone. Constant Android crashes. OPPO screen frozen or stuck. Free up more storage. Lose device password. Part 2. How to hard reset OPPO smartphone directly. Press power plus volume up until the recovery menu appears. Select English if prompted. Choose wipe data or factory reset, or wipe data and cache, and confirm with yes. Wait for the process to complete, then reboot your phone. Part 3. How to do a hard factory reset for a locked OPPO. Press power plus volume up until the recovery menu appears. Select English if prompted. Choose wipe data or factory reset, or wipe data and cache, and confirm with yes. Once complete, reboot your phone. Part 4. How to reset a locked OPPO phone by Google service. Search Google Find My Device. Connect your phone. Click Erase Device. Confirm with Google account details. Restart your phone. Part 5. How to hard reset OPPO phone safely and skillfully. Hot. The earlier methods are clear, but may have limitations. Data might be recoverable after a factory reset, and effectiveness can vary by model. For a secure solution, Mobican Eraser for Android ensures a complete and permanent data wipe. How can you hard reset your OPPO phone with Mobican Eraser for Android? Step 1. Connect first. You need to download and install the Android Eraser software on your computer. Then, connect your OPPO device to the computer via USB and enable USB debugging if prompted. Step 2. Launch. After installing the software, launch it and follow the on-screen instructions to identify your device. Once recognized, click on Erase in the main interface. Step 3. Select Next. Choose a security level and confirm by entering Delete. Then, click Erase again. You can select Low Level for robust data recovery prevention, Medium Level for media, and High Level for safeguarding your information. Step 4. Reset. Finally, the utility will start the erasure process based on the chosen security level. For system data and settings, you can factory reset the smartphone by following the prompts and clicking Continue to permanently eliminate all data.